Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel, where we believe that even just a minute can make a significant difference in your overall health. Today, we're diving into a quick and efficient set of exercises that you should do every day. These 1-minute routines will help you boost your energy, improve your strength, and maintain your well-being. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become part of our health and fitness community. Let's not waste a minute and dive right into these essential exercises. 1. High knees. High knees are an explosive cardio exercise that elevates your heart rate, engaging not only your core but also your legs and arms. In just 1 minute, you can torch calories, improve your cardiovascular health, and get an energizing start to your day. High knees can help boost your metabolism, making them an ideal choice for those looking to shed a few extra pounds. 2. Planks. Planks are a static exercise that requires your entire body to stay in a straight line. Holding a plank for 1 minute not only works your core but also activates your back, shoulders, and leg muscles. This exercise is fantastic for building overall body strength, enhancing posture, and preventing lower back pain. 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that targets your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Doing push-ups for a minute a day can help you develop upper body strength and muscle tone. It's also a convenient way to enhance your upper body endurance and maintain strong, well-defined arms. 4. Squats. Squats are the quintessential lower body exercise. In just 60 seconds, you can engage your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Squats help improve lower body strength, boost your metabolism, and increase your daily calorie burn. They are essential for developing strong, well-toned legs and supporting functional movement. 5. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a high-energy, full-body exercise that gets your heart rate up. Doing jumping jacks for 1 minute can boost your cardiovascular health and increase your overall energy levels. This exercise not only burns calories but also improves coordination and muscle endurance, making it perfect for a quick morning energy boost. Conclusion: incorporating these 1-minute exercises into your daily routine is a small investment with a big payoff. These quick routines can help you stay active, build strength, and maintain your overall health, even on your busiest days. Thank you for joining us today on our channel. If you found these 1-minute exercises valuable, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these exercises, please drop them in the comments below. Here's to making every minute count for your health and well-being. If you're eager to learn more about the 10 incredible leg exercises that can lead to a total body transformation without the need for any equipment, you're in the right place. Don't wait, watch the video on the screen now and take the first step toward a healthier and stronger you. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy.